Okay, you all, let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever looked at celebrities on Instagram and thought, wow, their skin is literally perfect, like no pores, no bumps, texture, just smooth, flawless skin? But today, while I recreate Megan Thee Stallion's soft glam makeup look, we're going to talk about something that might actually surprise you. Because the truth is, even celebrities don't have perfect skin. And once you start seeing before and after makeup photos, you realize something really important about beauty online. So let's get into this glam and this conversation. Alright, so I'm starting with my concealer for my brows to recreate Megan Thee Stallion look with the soft glam. Her makeup artist always focus on her brows, her smooth skin, and her warm tones and very polished finish. But before makeup, a lot of people don't realize that even celebrities have natural skin textures. They have pores, they have bumps, sometimes they have breakouts, and that is completely normal. So no one is not perfect. And everybody have this image of idolizing the celebrities and they're just normal people. So I want to show you something. When you see celebrities on Instagram or in music videos, their skin usually looks flawless, right? But when you look at the makeup photos, like before and after, like the paparazzi photos, you will start to notice something. You will see more of their textures, their pores, sometimes even acne. And we go on TikTok trying to buy the best skincare in the world from the celebrities, and I don't even know they're using it, or they're just really just promoting it to get a sale off of it. And that doesn't even mean anything is wrong with them. I mean, it just means that they have real skins. They go through the same things we go through. The real reason skins look so perfect online is because a few things: lighting, filters, editing apps, and professional makeup. And when you combine all of those together, skin can look completely flawless. But if you remove those things, and what you're left with a normal human skin. So now I'm applying this concealer under my eye and a corrector, and this is going to help smooth out my skin. And I'm using my Ruby Kisses skin filter. But something a lot of people don't realize is that foundation doesn't really remove texture. If you have pores or bumps, they can still show through makeup, especially if you have tired eyes as well. And that's normal. Social media has created this idea that everyone has to look perfect. The skin is supposed to look like glass. You guys remember the TikTok glass face challenge? Well, everybody don't have that texture of skin. No one's not perfect. No one is not a Barbie doll. Even though everyone's tried to propose of being a Barbie doll, is unrealistic. But the reality is, no one's skin looks like in real life. Not influencers, not celebrities, not even models. Like, we buy so much skin products all from TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, but mostly TikTok, to have a profession face of looking like a Barbie doll or looking like a model. But there's no such thing, because we all have texture skin. Now, when you see Megan Thee Stallion's after her makeup is done, and her skin looks amazing, right? But that's because she has professional makeup artists, professional lighting, sometimes photo editing. For all these celebrities, you have like the Rihanna, Kendall Jenner, Rihanna, once again, Normani, Nicki Minaj. All of those things together create the polished look we see online. The problem is, when people start comparing their real skin to edit images, you start thinking, why doesn't my skin look like theirs? Or, their skin is very smooth, it's very polished, but you're comparing your real life to a filter image, which a lot of people don't want to see because they feel like it is supposed to be a part of them. It's their reality, and it's not reality. It's all make-believe. It's all fake. Nobody's not perfect. Now, I am going in with the eyes with Megan Thee Stallion. It goes with a soft, like a dark brownish color. And I also went in with a little bit of green. But these are also like warm tones, but it's also giving like a dramatic look. More a suitable tone. And the one thing I really like about Megan Thee Stallion makeup, her style, is that it still looks glamorous but not overly complicated. It's very polished and it's still wearable, and that's why I love Megan Thee Stallion makeup. And I think it's really important, not for only me but everyone that I am sending this message out to, is to understand that having texture does not make your skin bad. We all go through puberty. We all went through a lot. You know, we eat certain foods, we break out. You know, the time for us, you know, and we go through that. We're human. We're not robots. We're not perfection. So it just means your skin is real. You know, you are a real person. Pores are normal. Texture is normal. And even celebrities that we admire so much still have those things too. As you guys saw, like Rihanna, and I did have Cardi B. They had a lot of bumps. So we all go through it. Sierra, we all go through it. Alright, you guys, I think that with all that being said, the message is be yourself. Stop really trying to idolize people, and you know, just be you, be in your own skin. And it's normal to have bumps, acne. It doesn't matter. You're human. We all go through it. People who pick on you about it, they're no better because they have went through it as well. So you can't try to please everyone, and it's okay. Love yourself within and out, because no one else will. We all go through it. So I am applying Megan Thee Stallion lip combo, and I want to say this as I finish her soft glam look inspired Megan Thee Stallion. Let me know what you guys think of the glam, and also tell me what you guys feel. Do you feel like social media ever make up or make you feel like your skin wasn't good enough? Because the truth is, real skin is normal. You do have texture skin. So I don't know who else. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste, so we can keep having real conversations about beauty and also texture skin. So no one is not perfect, and I don't want to get anything twisted. Love yourself unconditionally, because no one else will. So as you know, you see your favorites, they're not perfect, and they go through so much of skin texture, trying out makeup, doing everything, and they break out, eating everything. We are all human on this earth, so there's no such thing as perfection. Okay, so I also want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hype this video.
Beauty creators deserve graphics that represent them. This stylish Black beauty creator sticker celebrates confidence, glam, and creativity. Head to gumroad.com.